Welcome, I am Elias Mahmud, Instructor on Tech. I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. We are going to start our new class. Your subject is Communicative English, subject code 65722. Today in this class, I will try to discuss or make you understand about your syllabus. In your syllabus, you will get two parts. Firstly, you will get theory. Here you will get the mark 50 and practical. Here its mark is 50. In theory, you will get another two parts. TF, that means theory final. TC, theory continuous. In TF, in written, you will get 30 marks, and TC 20 marks. Okay. In theory, hot topics will be discussed or involved in your syllabus. That's all. Comprehension reading. Number 1. Comprehension reading task. Another composition writing. In comprehension reading task, you will get only 10 marks, and composition writing you will get 20 marks. In English, in the last semester we will get the comprehension that was seen from your textbook, but in this semester you will get comprehension that will not selected from your textbook. You will get the comprehensions from that means it can be taken from contemporary journals, editorials of newspapers, or from any online resources. That's why you have to take the preparation on these topics there. From comprehension, you have to give the answer of these topics. There are 5 topics. MCQ. We are well known to MCQ, but here the action is that gauging meaning from the context. Gauging meaning from the context. That means in your MCQ question, you will get 4 another words that is similar to the main words that have to be selected. That is getting meaning from the context. Giving the answer of this, we have to know the meaning or synonym of the word that will be helpful for giving the answer of the MCQ. Rearranging. Number 3. Rearranging. You are well known to that. Rearranging. You will get 2 parts, and you have to make the arrangement of this sentence or words. Number C. Fill in the gap fillings. Gap fillings. Here you have to fill the gap. There you can get the clue or not. That's not defined that you are given clues or not. But the answering questions. You will get 5 questions or 2 questions, and you have to answer this question. In answering this question, you have to remember that most of the time students quote from the answer from the comprehension task, and if it not appropriate, you have to write yourself the answer of this questions. Number E, summarizing. You have to make the summary of the comprehension in 5 or 3. It can be indicated in the question paper in how many sentences you have to make the summary of the comprehension. Okay, that is summary writing. These are the 5 items that can be as a question for your comprehension reading test, only 10. Then come to composition writing. In composition writing, we will get 10 types of, there are 10 types of questions, and you will get not 10 but a few items, and be 4 or 5 items can be selected from these topics. In number 1, you will get introduce formal and informal greetings. You will get introduce formal and informal greetings. Number 2, describing the idea of communication and presentation. You will get the question on communication and presentation skills. There are the topics you will get detail in your class. Write paragraph on the basis of comparison and contrast. That means we have to write paragraph on comparison, like village life and town life, like that. Number 4, narrates process, studies and interpreted chart graphs. You will give some tables or charts or graphs. On according to the graphs or chart, we have to write the story. Writing letters to the print and electronic media. Those are the letters that can you see in newspaper. Write letters of the advice, complaints, inquiry, order or cancellation. Prepare 7 days weather report. Weather report is one kind of report. You are well known in the report writing, but it is different that we have to write report on weather. Make an attractive poster for people giving advice to the protect environment. It is new one, poster making. That poster will be on protect the environment. You will get the detail the classes. Prepare a series of questions about personal information, place of interest, sports, hobby and employment opportunity. That means you have to make the questions. In the previous classes we have seen that you have to write a paragraph on basis of the question. You will given some question. On the basis of the question, you have to write the paragraph. But in here, you will get the contrary, that you will be told or you will be instructed to make question on the topics, not that paragraph or composition, but you have to make the questions about in 10 or 15 questions. You have to make relevant topics. Number 9, you will get writing dialogue. Dialogue writing, you have to write dialogue. You are also well known to that. Last one, number 10, preparation or prepare a job application with a complete CV for suitable for it. That means you have to make a CV for job within a cover letter. Okay, it was on your English courses, the first semester or second semester. It is also given here. So that's all. That's all the syllabus for theory item, and you have also practical item. I am in short saying about the practical item what will be discussed in your practical classes, like that use of dictionary, basic vocabulary, speaking, listening, hearing, writing, and there is another topics like that presentation items. You have to give a presentation, you have to make presentation on the topics, you will be given marks. That's the practical section. In practical section you will get only 50 marks. That's the 50 practical and 50 theoretical. That's 100 marks. Okay, that's all your syllabus, and we will get these topics detailed in our classes. Thank you all.